Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful week so far. I'm coming on today because I have my final design team project for Bling for Me, Bling for You. Yes, sadly, this is going to be my last month designing for Natalie. I told her that I had to take a break because summer is coming up and I'm busy with my kids over the summer, but maybe she'll have me back later on in the year. But I do have my design team project for Bling for Me, Bling for You, which is a Zibbet store. And Natalie, who has put some bling on it here on YouTube, is the store owner. And I'm going to share with you the second project that I created using the goodies that she sent me this month. So let's get started. The item that I used that I'm going to show you first is this Paper Smooches Wise dies, and it says Hugs and Kisses, and it's a super cute die. And she sells that in her store, and I made a tag so you guys could see what that looks like, but how cute. Hugs and Kisses, I used some shiny silver paper, and then on the back I just added the lips, and I just thought that was really cute. And I'm loving that tag, and I just added some tulle for my stash. And then I also created a card, and it says Kisses and Hugs, and you can see how the paper is really shiny, and I added a couple of lips to the card, and I thought that was really cute as well. And then this is the inside. I just added a little strip of bling from my stash. So that's what I created using that die. I really think that die is super cute. I can't wait to use that one more. Alright, so this is my next project, and I did use the Echo Park paper, which is called Happy Summer by Lori Whitlock. I used the chipboard accents, and you can see I used most of them. And then I also used the Happy Summer ephemera pack. Alright, so let's get started. This is what I created. It's similar to a flip book, but it's not a flip book. It's like a file folder mini album, I guess. I don't really know. I started creating the pages first, and I wasn't really sure where I was going to go with it, but this is what I came up with, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So this opens up. This is a chipboard from the collection, and of course I used the paper on the front and on the back, and I just made a bow using a die from my stash. And then I closed it using Velcro, so I did make a little gusset and a little flap so you can open it up. So my little book opens up like this, and this is the first page right here, and I just used lots of the little bits of ephemera and chipboard stickers from the collection, and right here I can do some journaling, and I just made some little banners and added some sequins from my stash. So I thought that was really cute. And then I made this little tag right here, and it says love today, and I used a die from my stash and just coordinated the paper, added some sequins from my stash up there. That folds down, and there's a spot for some journaling on this little tab right here. And then right here, this is a spot for a photo. And I did use one of these watermelon resin pieces that she sells in the store. And again, sequins from my stash. This is chipboard, or actually ephemera from the collection. And I think that's so cute. And the way that I made these file folders, it was using a die from my stash, in case you are wondering. So that folds down like that. And when I was creating, like I said, I was creating this not knowing exactly what I was going to do. So if I knew I was going to do this, I probably would have did it the other way, but I didn't. So it's okay. So the next little folder says Shine, and that's chipboard from the collection, and then I used washi tape from my stash, and this little doggy comes with the kit. And then I have space to add my photo right here, which I thought was really cute. And then you come back to this side over here, and I added another little flap that says Summer, and that's from the collection. And that folds down, and I just added some little decorations, the chipboard sticker and little bits and pieces from the collection. And that's using that Paper Smooches die right there. And then you see this page right here is a chipboard sticker, and then I have room to put a photo in here. I thought this would be a really cute book to give to my parents. We are going to take a family vacation, and I thought this would be cute to give to them and put pictures of the beach when we go to the beach. So I got another tab right here, another spot for a photo. This is chipboard stickers from the collection. And then the last little page is right here, and this is just a journaling spot that comes with the kit. This is a chipboard sticker, and that's also an ephemera piece. I used a border punch up here from my stash, and if I knew that I was creating this, I would have flipped the tree and the flower so that everything is going in the same direction, but I didn't, and that's okay. I'm fine with that. I think it came out really cute, and now I know I can actually make this little book, and it's actually a super cute gift to give to somebody. And actually, you could actually create a flip book out of this as well. I mean, you can do whatever you want to do. But anyway, this is my little flip book, or not flip book, but my little mini memory album that I've made using the Echo Park papers. I hope you guys like what I've created today. Please leave me a comment, and don't forget, you can use the coupon code this month at Natalie's store, Bling for Me, Bling for You. It's Erica15 to receive an additional 15% off your order this month. So please take advantage of that. If you see anything that you'd like to order, you got to order it quick because her stuff goes fast. All right, thank you, Natalie, for having me design for you all these months. It's been several months now, and I've had a blast. And I just want to say thank you, and that's it. I'll see everybody in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.